everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I have discussed some job update with you. Before that, please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friend and like this video. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link I will provide you in description box. Let's start our first job. Our first job is data marketing and digital marketing analyst, and this is Chandigarh location, and salary is 45 to 60K per month, and this is full-time opportunity and night shift Monday to Friday. And there is all about that and how to apply this job. You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Okay, our next job is data analyst. This is for Chennai, Tamil Nadu location, and salary is 5 LPA to 20 LPA per month. Sorry, per year. And salary is this, and this is full-time opportunity also. And if you have knowledge of AIML and all and how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst trainer. This is work from home opportunity. Salary is 8 LPA to 9 LPA per year, and full-time opportunity also, and bachelor prefer his and 6 years of experience needed. Our next job is data analyst. This is for Thane, Maharashtra location, and salary is 1.25 LPA to 1.5 LPA per month. And this is job description and how to apply this job. You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is also data analyst. This is for Jaipur location, Rajasthan location, and salary is 10K per month. And this is your job description and how to apply this job. You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is market research analyst. This is for Kolhapur, Maharashtra location, and how to apply this job. You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail, and salary is 50K to 20K per month, and US and UK shift. And this is your job description and all. Our next job is senior financial analyst. This salary is 5 LPA to 12 LPA per month, and Chennai for Tamil Nadu, Chennai location. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Chennai, Tamil Nadu location, and salary is not mentioned here. And this is your job description and how to apply this job. You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Indore, Madhya Pradesh location, and salary is also not mentioned here. What prefer skill is 3 years of experience in data analytic, Power BI, Python, PowerShell, and Looker. And how to apply the job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data insight Axos analyst. This is Hyderabad, Telangana location, and salary is not mentioned here. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you, everyone.